Welcome to Car Coach Reports. This is 4 Minute Friday for the week ending November 23rd, 2018. I'm Lauren Fix for a very special holiday Thanksgiving edition. This is what's going on in your automotive world. Stay right with us. Let's put 4 minutes on the clock. This is a special 4 Minute Friday because next week is the LA Auto Show and we'll be there for the whole automobility and for the cars. There's some special previews that we'd like to show you. So number one is some previews of the LA Auto Show. The Lincoln Aviator. This is a 3-row SUV. If you saw the Nautilus, which is really pretty, we're seeing a change in the Lincoln lineup. It's got more artsy flair to it. Big changes for Lincoln, and we'll be sending you pictures on that as well. So make sure to follow us on all forms of social media. The Audi E-Tron GT concept. Now I'll be driving the Audi E-Tron in Dubai the week after the auto show. Very excited. We'll send you a live feeds and all kinds of stuff from there as we can get Wi-Fi. But what's interesting, this is a GT. So that to me says, well, maybe the R8's going to come E-Tron powered. Maybe it'll be an A5 or A7 look. We're not sure. We're hearing lots of words coming out from Audi executives, but they're really keeping it under wraps. So that should be fun. They're also going to bring out the 2020 Audi S Q8. So we know about the Q7, bigger as a Q8, 3 rows, and it's going to have an S, which means sport. I'm very excited to see that, and it better have some power. If you're thinking about buying a small pickup truck, you're looking at the Ranger, or maybe the Colorado, those are new. Wait till you see the 2019 Jeep Scrambler. This is going to have a pickup bed, and if it's anything like most Jeeps, it's going to be smaller, and it's going to be great for off-road. So it might be something you want to use. So we'll get some pictures of that as well. Mini's going to be bringing us some performance trim levels for the John Cooper Works. One of them is the Knights Edition. I'm going to guess that's all black. We're also hearing possibly the 3rd generation GP, which is Grand Prix. That'd be great for autocrossing or road course. What an awesome vehicle. Not really a winter vehicle, but boy, it would be fun to have one of those in your garage. And finally, Volvo says they're bringing us nothing. Yes, there will be no cars at the Volvo display, just like they did in Detroit. They didn't even have a display. So what's nothing? Why would they spend money to have a display with nothing? They want to talk about sustainability, their technology, and maybe some autonomous vehicles coming in the future, even though we're way far away from that. Kind of cool that Volvo's going to try something different with nothing. So we'll keep you posted on that as well. Number 2, today is Black Friday. So you're probably thinking about going shopping. If you catch us on Saturday, it's Small Business Saturday, so make sure to support your local businesses. And Monday is Cyber Monday, which means all the deals are online. So I'm going to give you some great gifts for your automotive enthusiast friends, so you don't just give them a gift card or something boring and that you have to return. So here's the first gift idea. Under $20, it is the Bag Fix. Yes, this is my creation. We sold these on QVC. We actually sold out. They're made in Lancaster, New York. They're made of stainless steel, and they fit between the headrest posts of any vehicle that has headrests. Holds over 50 pounds. I'll tell you, everyone that has these loves them. If you bought one, put your comment down below. Great gift with shipping, $19.95. So here are some other great gifts. There's some links down below for all of this. How about a jump starter? You know people going to college that travel a lot, they have dead batteries, or you know someone that might have a dead battery on a regular basis. Good to be a good Samaritan. Look at this Dewalt jump starter. It's a really great gift, and best of all, it's something that you can give someone even if they're not a car enthusiast. So you've got friends that are really into keeping their cars clean. How about Mcguire's Complete Car Care Kit? Now, we all know the name Mcguire's. They own a bunch of different brands, but if you can buy it all in one package, this is a gift you can give anyone who's always about detail. It's something that you may not have thought of, but hey, who wouldn't mind having a complete car cleaning kit? So here's a great gift. You can't figure out what to get someone who buys whatever they need. They're a car enthusiast. Check out this awesome gift. One sock says gas, the other one says clutch. And so just in case so they don't ever forget, what a wonderful gift to give someone. I just think it was so funny that if you got a friend, you got to give them a kind of a gag gift. This would be a perfect fit. So you're thinking about a gift. You can't give something to someone who's just a regular daily driver who's constantly frustrated with the way people park. Check out these fake parking tickets. I have some of them in my glove box, but boy, there are times I have slipped them under people's wiper blades because they could use a real ticket. They need to learn how to park. So check those out as well. I just laugh every time I read these. Hopefully you'll enjoy them as well. And finally, you have no idea what to get someone. You can always get them a snow brush, especially if they're heading to the snowy climates or you live in these climates. Make sure to get one with a good ice scraper. You can buy these for like $5. What a great gift to give someone. It's something you can actually use. And hopefully that gets all your holiday gifts in order. Check out the description below for all the details and information on what we discussed. If you want to see our latest video, check out here. If you want to see what YouTube suggests, check out right there. And if you want to subscribe, it's right there. And we'll see you next time.
That was the best close you've ever done.
Really? Hey!